Hello, this is a question from Unit 4, Lesson 6, Max Mins. I'm looking at number 2 from the homework. Find two positive numbers with product of 200. So this is a requirement for this particular question. It's got to be two positive numbers and the product has to be 200. So the product of two positive numbers, x times y, is 200. So 200 equals xy. So this is the constraint equation. So what am I trying to optimize? The sum of one number and twice the second number is as small as possible. So you can pick any letter you want. I'm going to use capital S for sum. So this is what we're trying to optimize, the sum, and that occurs when one number and twice the second. So I'm going to say the first number is x plus twice the second is as small as possible. So that's what we're trying to optimize. We never want to do an optimization with two variables, so I'm going to have to do a replacement. So over here, it doesn't really matter which one you replace with. It's going to be the same amount of math. So let's say y equals 200 divided by x. So there's the constraint equation. That is going to go into my optimization equation. So the sum is going to equal x plus 2 times 200 over x. So I'm going to rewrite it as x plus 400, x to the negative 1. So then I have power rule. So we are going to optimize the sum with respect to x. Derivative of x is 1 minus 400 x to the exponent negative 2. So I've taken the derivative of the sum equation. To optimize, we have to let the sum with respect to x equals 0. So 0 equals 1 minus, and then I'm going to go back to positive exponents. 400 over the x squared, which means that 400 over x squared equals 1, or 400 equals x squared. Take the square root of both sides. I get x equals 20. Taking that information and plugging it back into my constraint equation, y equals 200 over 20, which means y would equal 10. So therefore, the minimal sum occurs when x equals 20 and y equals 10. So that optimized, or that resulted in the minimal sum for that particular combination. If you have any questions about that, let me know, and I'll try to clear them up.